guys, I'm Esther from Lashes, and in this video we're going to be talking about baby shampoo being used to clean lash extensions. Now, I know in the past it was highly promoted, a very DIY, affordable way to clean your lashes was baby shampoo, and a lot of people were saying and recommending that this is something you should do. But you shouldn't be using baby shampoo on your eyelashes, and I'm gonna let you guys know the reasons why in this video. Now, number one reason we shouldn't use baby shampoo on lash extensions is that it contains sulfates, and the sulfates in this can actually start to break down the glue bond of your lash extensions. So instead of making your lash extensions last longer, using baby shampoo is actually gonna cause them to fall off prematurely or to give your clients poor retention. Number two, baby shampoo is not designed nor tested for use on eyes. So you want to actually use a product that's going to be tested for use on your eyes, because your eyes are so much sensitive and so much different than the hair on your head. Baby shampoo is meant to shampoo baby's hair. It's just not made or tested for eyes. Number three is that it contains artificial fragrance, glycerin, and artificial colors. So these are things that we really don't want around our eyes. Our eyes are so highly sensitive, and the whole eye area, it's the thinnest skin that we have. So you have to be really careful with it. Everything is being absorbed through the skin. You wanna make sure you're really especially careful around the eye area. Now, having added fragrance can cause a lot of sensitivity and irritation to eyes. So you don't wanna be putting fragrance that close to your eyes. The glycerin in the product can actually break down the glue bond prematurely, again, causing poor retention. Number four is that baby shampoo is not effective at killing bacteria. So what that can mean is that people can actually be using it to clean their lashes, but they're not being properly cleaned. So that can lead to things like blepharitis or eye infections. So really, using baby shampoo is not going to prevent infections around the eye. It's not going to promote healthy eyes. So not to worry, there is something you can use to keep your lashes actually lasting longer, to give you better retention, and to keep your eyes super healthy and prevent infection. And that is a lash safe cleanser. So you want to use a lash shampoo or a lash cleanser that's actually designated for use on lash extensions. It's going to have everything that you need that's going to keep your eyes clean and healthy and keep your lashes lasting as long as possible. So what you want to look for in a lash cleanser is one that is oil-free, one that is paraben-free, one that is sulfate-free, one that's cruelty-free, that has no added fragrance or perfume, and one that's suitable for sensitive eyes. So the Lashes cleanser ticks off all of those boxes. It's great for sensitive eyes, but just make sure you are looking for one that is especially sulfate-free and fragrance-free and added colorant-free. Those are things we just don't want around our eyes. And you want to get one for sensitive eyes, because even if you're not somebody who has overly sensitive eyes, the eye area does tend to be very sensitive in general. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, just hit that like and subscribe button below.